Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. So today I have another video that I'm excited about, and it is actually though for my wife's 2025 Ford Mustang EcoBoost, which is her daily driver. Now, her dream would be able to make it sound like a Corvette. Unfortunately, it's the inline four. It's never gonna happen. But one thing that we can do is make that car look a little sportier than it does right now. So I was looking online and I realized, because I do a lot of stuff with EOS, Extreme Online Store, that they actually have a whole line of Mustang parts as well. So I looked and they do have the GT spoiler. So I ordered it in a black gloss paint and we're gonna get that installed today. But before we do that, let's open up the box and take a look at it. I think I'm looking forward to getting this on the car. Fasteners, all right. So, very nice. Let's take a quick up close look at this. All right, so check it out. A little bit dusty from being in the packaging. I need to wipe this off. I'll get a microfiber towel after a while and clean this all up. But you got your space for all your fasteners inside here. And of course, the double-sided tape is gonna go around here, around the centerpiece, and right here. And there is no third brake light, at least not on here. The third brake light is actually on the back windshield, so you'll know, but it'll set up there like, let's scroll out, like that on the car. So, man, I am looking forward to getting this installed. So, let's go do that. We're here at Gearheads in Mansfield, Texas, because today we're going to be installing the new EOS GT spoiler on my car. There'll be a link down in the description. I'm actually excited. So we've gotten some things done to this car, but before we get started, I was gonna say, so they generally don't work on, you know, your daily driving EcoBoost. They do a lot more custom V8 stuff, and obviously some really nice Mustangs that are just a little above stock. I mean, obviously here, look at the welds. I mean, come on now. But that's the spoiler we're putting on right there. But man, they got all kinds of great stuff. They do a lot of work. One of my friends from work who tracks his car a ton, his Mustang, he brings it here, but they also do Corvettes, all that great stuff. So who knows, maybe down the road. But I wanted to show you before we get started. So we're putting this new spoiler on. And because this is an EcoBoost and it doesn't have any type of initial spoiler, there's no holes pre-drilled where you install it, which generally is gonna go underneath here. You're gonna pull out these little plugs and then, at least if I understand it correctly, it bolts through there. But because mine doesn't have a spoiler, it doesn't have any of those pre-drilled holes. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a template because it's really usually they're gonna go on cars that already have it. However, they're gonna custom make a template for it so they can line everything up and then it'll get on there perfectly. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that. We're gonna get a little bit of footage of them doing some install, probably not a ton of it, but I did want you to see the before and the after because obviously I don't really care for it without a spoiler. I think it's gonna look a lot better once we get that on here. And again, we're not doing anything to boost horsepower on this because, you know, my wife doesn't need any more horsepower than what's already in there because she does have a heavy foot, loves to drive fast. She did the Ron Fellows Racing Driving Performance School with me back a couple of years ago. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. So let's get this video rolling. I have to say, for a $29,000 car, this thing is looking really good. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like once we get the spoiler on, but I think this thing is gonna look fantastic. What do you guys think? 29K, 315 horsepower, not bad, huh? All right, so Luis went ahead and put all this protective tape on it, but it's also to help line up where the spoiler is gonna go, high to low, you know, and then obviously dead center. He also released some of the bolts to get this part off because he put the little templates right, if you see those little circles right there, that's where these bolts on the ends are gonna line up. And there's some more detail to it. We won't get into all of that right now. But needless to say, this was a little bit more than what I would want to take on, simply because mine didn't come with anything pre-drilled because it was the Eco Boost. So really appreciative to him to having the skill set to be able to do this. But anyway, we'll come back and take a look at it here in just a few minutes. All right, so one more thing too, and as you guys remember earlier in the video, I mentioned where the top piece would have a cutout and where that bolt goes up through the bottom. So if you see right here, it has this. We can't just set it down on top because then you're gonna have that little gap where your spoiler is gonna set up on top. So Luis has got it drawn out. I don't know if you can quite see it, but there's the little rectangle around here. He's gonna cut this area out so that when this sets down on top, that this piece right here fits into that slot so that it sits nice and snug, and then of course it gets bolted. Then of course we have, which the bolts come with it, but we also have the double-sided tape. You guys know my favorite, double-sided tape. We're gonna have the double-sided tape wrapped around all of these little areas right here to also hold it in place, kind of like if you guys remember on my C8, much of the same thing. But anyway, that is the next step in the process, and he's gonna get rolling. So you guys stay tuned because this thing is gonna look fantastic. All right, so Luis got it set up. This is not obviously bolted down or anything right now. We're just looking to see kind of where it lines up to make sure everything's gonna line up perfect. And we got this little gap right here, which is exactly the way it was. I just went to a dealership the other day for my truck, and I thought, well, let me look and see how they line up over there. This one's lined up exactly the same way. So he's gonna take lunch, and then we're gonna go back and get this thing bolted in. All right, so that's it. We're all done. The spoiler has been added. I gotta tell you, I think it looks fantastic with the stripes, the gloss stripes and the gloss spoiler look amazing together. And unfortunately, even after all of the ice, they have still not, which was like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, they still haven't cleaned up all of the salt and stuff all over the road. So the car is filthy, but nonetheless, there we are. That's the completed part. And then of course, you know, when I'm trying to film, I get to have all these people out here. There's all kinds of trash trucks. Anyway, the life of YouTube. But that's gonna do it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope everybody has a great week. Thanks for watching.